What if I told you that you could walk down the street with a sword on your back, own a flamethrower, or even marry your first cousin, and still be completely within the law? In parts of the United States? Sounds insane, right? In this video, we're diving into 7 legal things that feel totally illegal in the US. Strange, shocking, and downright unbelievable laws that actually exist and are perfectly legal under certain circumstances. Number 1, owning a flamethrower. Yes. In most states, including Texas and Pennsylvania, you can legally buy and use a flamethrower without a license. There's almost no regulation on it at the federal level, and some companies even sell them online like any other tool. Number 2, eating roadkill. It might sound disgusting, but in states like Oregon, Alaska, and West Virginia, it's legal to collect and eat animals that have been accidentally killed on the road. It's seen as sustainable and even encouraged in some rural areas. Number 3, public nudity. In cities like San Francisco, walking around naked is legal if it's part of a protest or artistic expression. As long as it's not sexual in nature or causing public disturbance, it's protected under free speech laws. Number 4, marrying your first cousin. Although taboo, it's completely legal in about 20 states, including New York and California. Some states have age or fertility restrictions, but there are no outright bans in those jurisdictions. Number 5, driving barefoot. Many people think it's illegal, but in all 50 states, it is actually legal to drive without shoes. Some officers may discourage it, but there's no law against it. Number 6, openly. Carrying a sword or large blade in states like Texas and Arizona, open carry laws don't just apply to guns. You can legally walk around with a samurai sword strapped to your back, and as long as you're not threatening anyone, it's allowed. And number 7, collecting rainwater. While it was once banned or restricted in places like Colorado and Utah, it's now legal in most states with some regulations. In fact, many states encourage rainwater harvesting for environmental reasons. These laws might sound outrageous, but they reveal just how complex and quirky American legal codes can be. What's legal isn't always what's normal, and what's shocking to some might be totally fine to others. So what do you think? Should some of these be banned? Or is this just freedom in its weirdest form? But we're not done yet, because here's another one that blows people's minds. You can legally own and operate a private jail in certain parts of the U.S. That's right. In some states, private citizens or corporations can legally run detention centers under contracts, often for profit. While heavily regulated, the idea that a non-government entity can run a jail still shocks most people. Moving on, you can legally yell threatening things, as long as you don't cross certain lines. For example, saying, "I could punch you," is often protected speech under the First Amendment, unless it creates a real and immediate threat. It's a legal gray area, but still technically allowed in many situations. Another surprising one, you can ship a potato through the U.S. Postal Service, with stamps stuck directly to it. There's no law against mailing a potato without packaging, and it's actually been done as a prank or gag gift. Strange, right? Or how about this? You can be drunk in public, legally, in some states like Nevada. While public intoxication is illegal in most places, in cities like Las Vegas, there are no state-level laws against it. As long as you're not disturbing the peace, it's allowed. These examples show just how much the law can differ not just by state, but sometimes even by city. And they challenge our assumptions about what's normal or illegal. The truth is, many laws in the U.S. come down to interpretation, enforcement, and local culture. And that makes for some seriously surprising loopholes. Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you learned something new. This is Silent Rights, and we're just getting started.